Right on, folks. We're going to take a look at winterizing this Reflection 2023. We've kind of gone through the operation of the water heater and stuff like that. But now we're going to winterize this with the Nautilus system. We're going to go through the whole thing top to bottom. First thing we do is we drain the gray water, black water, freshwater tank, low point drains, and your water heater. Again, this is on 2023 Reflection. So first thing we're doing, we're going to drain gray water tank, black water tank. I don't need to be simple, but make sure you don't just do this on your driveway and have your sewage run out in your driveway. But make sure those tanks are drained. Then we're going to come to the freshwater tank, and that's like a white gate valve. Drain the freshwater tank. Then we're going to drain the low point drains, and those are in different locations in each certain model. I just saw them. Oh, there they are. The minor sewer. So let all the water fall out. It's a little wet down here, Brandon. What it was again? Okay, so we've drained the tanks, we've drained the plumbing lines. Now we're going to come in here and drain our water heater. There's a bronze one here at the bottom that comes out first, and then the black one here at the top. That one sometimes is hand tight. Sometimes you need a little pliers there to get that started. Take them out. Come on, off. So, water runs out. Make sure the tank is empty and been drained. Then we're just going to take these back, throw them back in. Again, this doesn't take a lot of tools like wrenches and stuff like that. We're just using our hands here at this point. You see how those red dots are like that, Brendan? Those should be tightened in a way that they line up again. So, the big plastic one and the smaller bronze one. Good. Now we're going to come to our Nautilus panel, turn these valves in a way that the winterizing lines up. So the white one's side by side, blue one's side by side, and green one's side by side. Then we're going to take a cutoff of a hose, just an old hose from home, whatever. Thread this in your city water connection. So, put this into a jug of antifreeze, like so, and turn the water pump on. Now, before we turn the water pump on, Brandon, what's going to happen?
What's going to happen? I don't know.
The antifreeze is going to suck in, but I didn't put the plugs back in on the low point.
They're just going to run right out.
Exactly. So we got to put the plugs back in. And actually, we're going to use these plugs to drain out the water at the end too. So we're going to do this all over again. That's okay. There's a little rubber washer in there, so you just gotta make sure these are hand tight. Okay, now because I've put these valves in this position, this hose is gonna suck antifreeze from this water heater. Sorry, from this antifreeze jug. I'm just gonna turn the water pump on. I can turn it on from the inside or the outside. Oh, I'm bleeding, man.
And you don't have to close your valves or the other tanks?
No. No, you just have to make sure the low point drains are plugged up. Can you hear the water heater throttling down? System's pressurized. Now I'm going to winterize all my fixtures. So we're out here already, so we're going to do the outside shower. Turn this till the antifreeze comes out. Okay, right? That was the hot side. Now we'll do the cold side. Okay. Now, we've actually gone through most of that jug of antifreeze, so I'm going to turn the water pump off. Another one in. Now we're going to winterize the rest of the trailer. We're going to do the kitchen tap, bathroom tap, toilet. Don't forget to do the washer dryer, right? Outside shower, any kind of outside spray ports, any plumbing related things, you got to do that. Let's go up here to the bathroom. Water's coming out. Turn the antifreeze, yeah.
You shut the pump off.
Did I?
Yeah.
Didn't turn it back on?
No.
Oh, jeez, Brandon. Good thing we got a switch inside.
Yeah.
Thanks, Brandon.
No problem. Good thing I'm here.
Thanks, buddy. I'm like, man, what's going on? So we've done both hot and cold here in the bathroom sink. We're going to do the toilet. Okay. We're going to do hot and cold for the shower. Tank. Not a bad start to the day, Brandon, getting all wet. Do the washer dryer. Do that into a bucket though. Don't just do that in the front closet. Coming back down. Cold. Hot. Okay. Now, we're going to shut the pump off again. This is a one big key, Brandon, on this Nautilus system. Shut this pump off. We're going to go back to the Nautilus valves. Those three valves there. And you're supposed to leave these halfway. Okay, that's in the manual. After you've winterized the entire thing, shut the water pump off. Come here, leave these at a 45-degree angle. That winterizes both sides of these valves themselves. Okay, we're gonna leave them that way. Now, as a little bonus, what I like to do is I actually go back to the low point drains, drain out the antifreeze so that they're not like stinking. The antifreeze isn't stinking up the lines, and we'll do that now. I gotta tell you, Brad, I'm sick of these low points.
There would have been an outside spray port on here somewhere too, right?
Yeah, it depends on the model, but yes, I bet you there will be one here. So do your outside shower, do your outside spray port, do the what do you say? Washer dryer prep. Right on, folks. We just finished winterizing that Reflection 2023 up. I put the we drained out the low point drains, let all the antifreeze run out, ran those plugs back up in, so you're good to go for next spring. Remember, we put the plugs back in on the water heater as well, so those are in place. I've taken the hose off, and we're just ready to go for next year. So we used the water pump to run antifreeze through the trailer. We drained out the water heater first, though, put the plugs back in, ran the antifreeze through everything. We made sure we did the sinks, the toilet, the washer dryer, the spray port, the outside shower. All that was done.